Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to start a new program, Learn with Smart Way. It is the way how to get 10 by 10 in the board examination. Follow regularly and achieve your goal. In this video, I am going to discuss one of the most important long answer type problem. We can expect like these problems in the board exams. Keep on watching, don't miss the video till the end. It is very helpful for you. One more thing, I am requesting to you, if you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, or otherwise you can go with playlist also. Coordinate geometry, long answer type problem. Which point on x-axis is equidistant from 5, 9 and minus 4, 6? Or find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 5, 9 and minus 4, 6. Let us see the solution what is given here. So which point on x-axis is equidistant from 5, 9 and minus 4, 6? On x-axis, what is the point on x-axis? It is the form of a, 0. The coordinate is a, 0. On y-axis it will be 0, a or 0, something we need to take. So see here, axis, this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. So on x-axis, one point will be this point I am taking a of a, 0. For example, here they asked y-axis means on y-axis you can take 0, some value a or b, like that variable you have to take. Now here this point to one more point, it is 5, 9. Here will be, for example, this is b of 5, 9 and one more point, that is c of minus 4, 6. So this point, it is equidistance. Equidistance means it is same distance it will be. Equidistance, so means we need to find distance between the line segment AB, we need to find distance between the line segment AC, we need to find. Afterwards you have to find the value of A. A we are finding means the point on x-axis we are getting. So let us see the solution. Let the point on x-axis equal a, 0. That is, I am taking as a, 0. So a of a, 0 I took. So now we have to find out distance between a of a, 0 and b of 5, 9. You have to find the distance between the line segment a of a, 0 and b of 5, 9 equal. So we know the formula. What that formula? The distance between any two points, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So you can take, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that equal under root, what is x2? This is a1 is x1, this coordinate is y1, this is x2, 5 is x2, 9 is y2. Now you can substitute here x2 means 5 minus x1 means a whole square plus y2 means 9 minus a value is 0 whole square, that equal under root, it is of the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a square means 5 square, plus b square means a square, minus 2a means 5, b means a, plus 9 minus 0, it is 9 square, that equal 5 square means 25, plus a square value is a square only, minus 5 to the 10 into a 10a, plus 9 9s are 81 under root, that equal, now you can write in order, a square minus 10a plus 81 plus 25. 81 plus 25 is 106 under root. Now this is, you can take equation number 1 you have to take. Next, same as it is, where you can find distance between A to C you have to find. Distance between the line segment A of a comma 0 and C of minus 4 comma 6 we need to find. Write down that one. The distance between the line segments A of a comma 0 and C of minus 4 comma 6 equal, under root same formula only, distance between 2 points, it will be the under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 is a1, y1 is 0, x2 is minus 4, y2 is 6. Now you can take out minus 4, x2 means minus 4 minus a whole square plus y2 means 6 minus y1 means 0 whole square. Now you can take it here, a minus b, here a plus b formula you have to use. A means minus 4, b means minus a, means minus 4 whole square plus minus a whole square plus 2 into minus 4 into minus a plus 6 whole square under root as it is, that equal under root 4 square value is 16, minus 4 whole square means minus 4 into minus 4, that is 16, minus a whole square means it becomes a square. Here minus into minus plus 4 to the 8 into a 8a plus 8a plus here 6 square means that is 36, that equal under root, here you can write the order a square plus 8a plus 36 plus 16, that is 52, this is equation number 2 you can take. So according to the problem, distance between the line segment AB equal the line segment AC. So distance between the line segment AB, how much we got it here? Under root a square minus 10a plus 106 equal under root here a square plus 8a plus 52. Now you can take squaring on both sides, you have to take squaring on both sides. So we are taking the squaring on both sides, means a square minus 10a plus 106 under root whole square equal under root a square plus 8a plus 52 whole square. Here square root get cancelled. What is remaining here? a square minus 10a plus 106 equal a square plus 8a plus 52. Now just you can this a square and this 52 you can transpose to left and this 10a you can transpose to right. So now we are getting a square plus 106. This one I am transposing to right. So this plus a square becomes minus a square plus 52 becomes minus 52 equal 8a. This minus 10 becomes plus 10a. This plus a square minus a square get cancelled. 106 minus 52, that is 106 minus 52 we are getting 54 equal 8a plus 10a, that is 18a. So a equal 54 by 18. 18 ones are 18 threes are. So a value we got it. So what is the point on x-axis? What we took here? A comma 0 we took. So the point on x-axis is 3 comma 0. The conclusion also we need to write. I will rub and write the conclusion here. Therefore, the point on the x-axis equal a of a comma 0 we took, means a of a value we got it 3 comma 0. So the point on the x-axis will be, we got it here 3 comma 0. So here the point will be 3 and 0. On x-axis will be 3 and 0 only. Y value is 0, x value is some constant term we are getting. Dear students and viewers who need this video, please share it. It is helpful for other also. Suggest them to subscribe the channel. I hope this type of problems are very clear for you. Practice well. We will meet in the next video. Don't forget like the video. Don't forget the subscribe the channel. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.